We're now recording. This is Scott with Belch on his second run. Off to the races.
Yeah, this guy, I mean, he seems right. He did whatever he's doing. He's right on. Well, he kind of look at it. Yeah, he wandered off. Yeah, he had to say something.
You just wanted to avoid the tree, that's all.
Yeah, they like to show off. I think that's it.
I don't know where the hell it's going, unless the IMU got moved. That happens, son.
Yeah, so it's no GPS.
Yeah, it's GPS too, but it still relies on the compass to know which direction that GPS course is. It relies on the camera.
Definitely heading into danger.
Uh-oh. I am not the cone you're looking for.
Yeah, well, it thinks the cone is in there somewhere.
We'll ignore my red shirt.
No, it's not your red shirt. I don't know why. It was going right for the cone until Doug said something. Like it thinks the cone is in there somewhere, but
Voice recognition, new feature, huh?
Yeah. No, spill sensitive.
Sadly, there's no safe path through that.
it'll probably end up going around the end here eventually.
Yeah, but it's changing.
Oh, there's not?
left
Oh,
direction.
yeah, there's not, is there? That's a ditch.
That's a ditch.
Yeah, buddy, you don't want to go down there.
Calling it. That's it.
Better luck next time, Belch.
He was right for that cone last time.